get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Happy Easter to all. I hope you're all gearing up for an awesome long weekend. And if you're staying home and it's nice and quiet, enjoy it. So today we're going to be making a cheats Eton mess. This means we are not cooking, we are completely cheating, and I love this. Serves a lot of people. I'm going to use takeaway container to put it in today, so I don't have to worry about my dish not coming back. And because it is Easter, I'm going to be a little bit cheeky and hide some Easter eggs in there. I've got 600 ml of cream. We probably won't need that much, but extra cream never goes astray. Fresh bread, apricot jam, whipped cream on top. Oh, you're welcome. First up, we're going to need a pre-cooked Pavlova base. I bought mine from IGA for $9.80, but you can buy them anywhere. I've got a punnet of strawberries, a couple of kiwi fruit, a couple of bananas, and a tin of passion fruit pulp. If you can get passion fruit and you can afford it, you only need a couple. Now, you can put any toppings you want on it. I'm just making it exactly how I would normally, so they won't guess that there's some Easter eggs in there. 600 ml of cream, half a cup of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence, beat till thickened. Alrighty, prep work's done. Now we can have some fun. Alright, so first up, get your dish ready. I bought the red tulip hunting eggs from IGA, and they're going out for $5 a box this weekend for 12. So I'm just going to unwrap them. Now normally I wouldn't do this, but being Easter, I can't help myself. And I'm just going to chuck a heap of them in the base. And I'm just going to hold them down with a little bit of cream. Alright, now they should stay in place while we Eton mess them. So now we want to get our bought Pav out and cut her open. Now normally I'd use a big plastic or wooden spoon. I don't know why, it just makes the Pavlova last longer. But I'm just going to do it with this. I'll tell you what, there is no more fun than smashing up a Pavlova. So I'm just going to do it like this because I've got the eggs in it. Normally I would just get big scoops and just scoop, 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 scoop. But with the eggs in there, I want to try and get it all in between in that as well. Once we're done, it will look like this. Now, like our fresh cream all over it. So I used about 3/4 of it, and now with a fork I'm just going to juzzy it around the place. Not flatten it too much, but just kind of spread it out. Try and cover everything. Just turn your fork around a bit and make a pattern. Now I like to put the banana on first because it does go brown the quickest. Now the best way to keep it is just put it in, like half in, to keep it from going brown is that when you seal it up with Glad wrap, make sure you seal it really well and no air gets into it, and it will hold a lot longer. Kiwi fruit. Sorry about the lighting, the camera does not do white. And strawberries. Now if you're using the tin passion fruit pulp, I like to stir it up and then grab it from the bottom so you get some seeds, and you just want to sprinkle that over. I don't like doing a lot, I just like doing it enough for the look, and it doesn't make it go soggy that way. Don't need to pour a whole tin over it. Well, there you have it, lovelies. The cheats Eton mess. Give it a crack. Your family's going to love it. I hope you all have a lovely Easter. Look after each other. And if you're going to have a few little drinky poos, make sure you keep on eating. Thank you all so much for watching. And I'll see you soon. Toodles.